Hi, first grader. Today we're gonna learn a new sight word. We're gonna learn the sight word was. Read it with me. Was. Let's read it again. Was. This word is spelled W-A-S. Spell it with me. Ready? W-A-S. Don't feel funny. Spell it with me. W-A-S. Let's read it. Was. Now, first grader, I want you to notice something about this word. I hear was, but I see an A in this word. I want you to know that this sight word, you say the sight word was, and you spell it with an A. We call this a rule-breaking word. It breaks the rules. It goes in jail. I'm just kidding. So we have the word was. I want you to know that we spell the word was with an A, but we say the word was and we read the word was with So when it comes to your spelling test, I don't want you to go you. Or when it comes to reading or writing it on your own, I want you to notice this word is was. Okay, let's practice this word together.
Hi, it's me, Simon Sightword. Tap and read. W-A-S. Was. Let's do it again. W-A-S. Was. Trace it. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. Say it like a robot. W-A-S. Was. Say it like a mouse. W-A-S. Was. Say it like a cowboy. W-A-S. Was. Say it like a baby. W-A-S. Was. Say it fast. Was. Say it slow. Was. Read it. Read it again. Read it a third time. Read it in all four corners. Was, 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 was. Count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters in the word was. Close your eyes and spell it. W-A-S. Read it in a sentence. She was sick. Now spell it for someone new.
You're back. Good job practicing the word was. Let's sing about this sight word. You keep the beat on your legs and on your hands. Are you ready? There is a sight word we all know. Can you guess what it is? It is the word was. It is the word was. It is the word was. And that is our sight word. Good job.